I'm David Bonfiglio. I'm project manager for Mountainwood Homes. I'd say working with the trades, I really enjoy the guys, with the questions that come up, but just the camaraderie that we have. Seems like all of our trade partners care about the end result as well as we do, so that makes it that much more enjoyable. I mainly started construction right out of school. It was college. I was taking classes, Portland Community College and then Portland State, and then while I was going to school, I was working summers and any holiday times with a framing contractor. So I started doing a lot of framing. After I graduated, I still stayed on with framing because I liked it. That was kind of something I wanted to do. And then it just kind of morphed into there. My boss that was framing with us went and worked with a builder, and I followed along with him as his assistant, and then kind of just progressed into like a project supervisor role. And then I think probably 4 builders later, I ended up working with Robert. So it's been probably a good 25 years that I've had in the building industry.